The National Weather Service in Los Angeles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Los Angeles County in Southern California until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. Tom the First is hijacking.
You again. I thought you were gone.
Well, remember that Cal beat us up? Well, I faked it.
You did what? Dang, you're smart but not this time.
Cal, that was painful. If that's how you want to fight, let's see what you got. Speechify Tom, aka Scan Soft Tom.
I bet I'm way better than you.
This is a message from the National Weather Service. We are so sorry about the incident that happened. Hopefully, this never happens again, and the severe thunderstorm warning is cancelled. I repeat, the severe thunderstorm warning is cancelled.